Writing a great summary for the research template. This summary is a very, very important part of the Altiorem website and should really outline a lot about the piece of research. So it should clearly outline the main points and key findings. Are there any issues that it specifically addresses? Who or what organisation is this report about? What ideas are presented? Are there any key findings? What are the results of the report? These are the types of things that we are trying to capture in the summary. And I think the best way to, when you're writing the summary, is to imagine that, there's a manager who's on the Altiorem website who believes in sustainable finance and is wanting to present the case to their CEO to make changes within their organisation. And they're going to use your piece of research as part of their making the case. So your summary, they should be able to almost take directly to the CEO and read it out to them. So it's a very important piece. It's 500 words, and you want to try and stick to about that. So clearly don't go over, but we're looking for not 300 words, not 400 words. We're trying to get to that 500 words. There should be enough content within the piece that you could write a 500-word summary. Also, just keep the paragraphs quite short. So this one here outlines, what the piece of content, what it explains, and also this report is particularly relevant and important for institutional investors. So that's a really key point, like who is this research important for? And any other important things about the piece of research. So here they're explaining that there's a program that's also being developed that stimulates and helps signatories align with responsible investment practices, so which will then benefit society. So as I said, try and keep the paragraphs fairly short. There's another example here. So even shorter paragraphs, and this almost goes step by step through the paper. So the first step, second step, third step, fourth step, and last step. So it really clearly explains what this paper is about. And third example, again, they've broken the sections of the report up and explained each one. So that's how you would write a summary. You can often find copy and paste almost. Sometimes reports will have an executive summary, which is will very closely align to this. So you're more than welcome to copy and paste. And as long as it fits into this type of style. And also keep in mind too that the search blurb, which is the 2 lines maximum of 50 words that's displayed in the search results, is not the same as the summary. So keep the wording of these two different.